Okay, April 2nd, 2018. Take a little video of Farmhouse before we start doing some remodeling. Looks like when you walk in, right now it's carpet and fireplace is over here in the corner. Some old paneling. The bathroom's over there. This wall's got an old fireplace in it. We're gonna take that out. Alright, let's go over here in this front room. We've already done a little work on this room. Got a little bit of laminate on the flooring. We've redone this one room, but now we're gonna take out this wall and this old chimney. Alright, and we're gonna make it one big room in here. We're gonna redo this bedroom. Take out those closets in the back. We're gonna replace these old doors on the front of the house. Alright. Okay, we're gonna go back into the living room. Alright. Bathroom here. We're gonna remodel the bathroom. We're gonna leave the vanity there. It's gonna be a little smaller one. We're gonna move that tub. Take out this wall right here. We're gonna move that tub over here to this wall on the left. Then we're gonna move that toilet. See if we can put it back here in this little. Make some space to the left here. Make a new door so we can actually have a door on our bathroom, right? Okay. Alright, go back out. Gonna do anything really with the kitchen. Just gonna kind of leave it alone for now. Hey, look at that beautiful young lady. Hey. Alright, in here in the living room, we're gonna rip up all this nasty carpet. Probably gonna do some painting. Maybe might even paint that wood, paint the wall. Got a new ceiling fan in here, so we'll leave it. And then we're gonna take out this bay window. It's an old window, not very energy efficient. So we're gonna leave it a big, huge window. We're just gonna put a new one in there. It's gonna be flat instead of a big bay window. Nice view out from the barn lot. Pretty view from the living room here in the window. And we're gonna move the fireplace over here to that corner right there. We can sit in this room. So here at the fireplace. Look out across the farm. You're pretty. All right. That's what it looks like now. See what it looks like in about 2 months.